Kistler was formed over 50 years ago in Winterthur in Switzerland. The first sensors developed, which are very relevant to the Detroit area, were used in combustion analysis. And that really has been the backbone of the company right from the very beginning. But many products have evolved from there. Many of the cars that people drive have been developed using Kistler sensors. And now, particularly with what we hear about emission controls, fuel efficiency and so on and so forth, the Kistler sensors around the engine have been heavily used for such very important work. So even though Kistler may not be a household name, in the testing community around Detroit, it's a very well-known name. This year we're pleased to introduce a number of new products. We've got 2 new measure hands, which again are very important for the R&D community. One is torque, and the other is a new range of static pressure sensors, which complement the engine analysis sensors that we have. These are sensors that are used for measuring fuel, oil, and water pressures, for example, around the engine. An important part of the Kistler technology is the ability for it to survive in very hostile environments. If you take an internal combustion engine, it's basically an explosion, and we're measuring an explosion very quickly over many, many cycles. The accurate measurement of that pressure, plus the exchange pressures going into and out of the engine, will enable the engineer to improve the fuel efficiency, lower emissions, all those important things. But it is a very tough application. And so developing a sensor to provide repeatable data over many cycles over a long period of time is actually quite a challenge. And that's where Kistler has done an extremely good job in developing the technology over the last 50 years.